Welcome to PharmaState News. Here are the top headlines from Pharma World.
Sun Pharma asked to pay 279 crore rupees GST dues on Ranbaxy arbitration. The DGGI claims that Sun Pharma is liable to pay service tax on payments it had made to affiliates of Ranbaxy outside India regarding arbitration, said the sources. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals announces entry into Branded Dermatology segment in the United States. In support of this new business, Glenmark Therapeutics recently acquired the rights to 7 branded dermatology products from Axaltis USA, Inc. Orchid Pharma says closer to resolution as Resolution Professional has received 3 plans. National Company Law Tribunal had earlier cancelled the resolution plan by US-based Indian Capital after it refused to infuse the upfront amount, seeking certain data from the drug maker. The man who brought Ranbaxy to its knees is pushing for Made in India tag on drugs sold in US. Generic drugs from India and China may clash with a campaign in US led by former Ranbaxy whistleblower Dinesh Thakur. Government should pass laws to address unfair prices of new, patented and branded drugs, says experts. Experts from the healthcare industry are of the view that prices of medicines have become a most contentious issue, with prices of branded and even the generic drugs being increased very high. These drugs out of the reach of the poor patients. FDA warns against the use of unauthorized devices for diabetes management. In the safety communication issued today, the agency noted that the use of unapproved or unauthorized devices could result in inaccurate blood glucose, sugar, measurements or unsafe insulin dosing, which can lead to injury requiring medical intervention or even death. Torrent Pharma reports Q4 net loss of 152 crore rupees, cites drug recall. Pharma company says it faced one-time impact of the recall hypertension drug in the US market. Glenmark Pharma gets US FDA nod for sulfonylurea succinate tablets. According to IQVIA sales data for the 12-month period ending March 2019, the Vesicare tablets, 5 mg and 10 mg market achieved annual sales of approximately $942.7 million, the company said in the filing. Novartis CEO calls for new drug payment model ahead of Zolgensma launch. Gene therapy developers such as Novartis and Bluebird Bio have offered up the option of value-based pricing, accepting the full price only when the drug works are in installments over several years. FDA warns against the use of unauthorized devices for diabetes management. In the safety communication issued today, the agency noted that the use of unapproved or unauthorized devices could result in inaccurate blood glucose, sugar, measurements or unsafe insulin dosing, which can lead to injury requiring medical intervention or even death. Roche receives FDA approval for Venclexta plus Gazyva in chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Being developed by Roche in alliance with AbbVie, Venclexta is a targeted drug that selectively inhibits the B-cell lymphoma 2, BCL2, protein. Indian pharma stocks update. Top gainers are Panacea Biotech up 4.7% and Orchid Pharma Limited up 2.2%. On the other hand, Torrent Pharma, down 4.4%, and Cadila Healthcare, down 2.3%, are among the top losers. Details: you can visit the news link shown with the news bite. And for quick pharma industry updates, download PharmaState app.